Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to check your contact was synced with your Google account or not in your Samsung phone. So for this guys, you need to open the contact app on your Samsung Galaxy phone like this. Okay, in case your Google account was not signed in the contact app, just you need to sign in with your Google account. Okay, and then in the top left side corner, just tap on three lines like this. From here guys, you need to select the Google account option or all contact option. Okay, so now it will show you your SIM card contact, Google contact, and your the contact which are saved on your phone book. Okay, this all contact will now show you in your screen, as you can see guys. Now if you want to sync this all contact with your Google account, just once again tap on three lines, tap on manage account. Here you can get the option sync account. Just tap and open it and enable the Google account from here, and then tap on sync option once again. That's it. Okay, so this is the way to sync the contact with your Google account on your Samsung Galaxy phones. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.